Today on this DVD, we're going to look at what I call, I suppose, professional boxing or more high-level form of boxing. Since I had a boxing career that went from martial arts into a bit of amateur boxing, straight into professional boxing, and then back into kickboxing. However, my boxing career ranged from being boxing club fights all the way up to like a world ranking. I was also what you call the first non-American on a Detroit-based Kronk boxing team, and therefore I was trained as a fully fledged member in Detroit, and so therefore I had access to what I call a lot of the American boxing combinations and techniques, in particular from Dave Jacobs, who was Ray Leonard's boxing coach, but also Emmanuel Stewart, who was Thomas Hearns' boxing coach. I did do bits of work with Thomas Hearns when he worked with me on how to use my right hand, which was a major weapon of those fighters of the Kronk boxing team. So, however, today we're going to look at first what I call a footwork or your stance, because there's no point of being able to punch without your basic framework, which is how you stand within the boxing context. So this is in the context of the boxing ring, all of these techniques will be implemented.